Welcome back to this video tutorial. We can discuss about the linear search program in this video. We have already discussed about the algorithm for linear search in the 8th video of this playlist. So I suggest you to watch that video once more, and after that we can learn how to write the C program code for linear searching. Okay. So here suppose we are given with an array A with n number of elements. Okay, so here n means total 7 number of elements, n equal to 7 here. And for performing a linear search we need a key element, and our task is to find whether this key is present anywhere in this given array. If such situation occurs, that means the key is present somewhere in this, then that case we need to display the index position, index of the matching position. Okay, so this is our task. Suppose we are given with an array A, integer array A with total how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n equal to 7. And I am starting this indices from 0 to 6. Total 7 elements are available, and so indexing is starting from 0. So the index values ranging from 0 to 6 for our 7 elements. Okay, and the key is taken here as 50. Now we want to check whether this 50 is matched with any of the elements of this given array A. Right? So start from this beginning. That means from A of 0th position, we need to check is there exist any match with this key element. No, here it is 10 and the key is 50. No match exists here. Right? So we can increment the index to the next location, that is at A of 1 now. So is there exist any match with this key? No. There again no match present here. So again increment. Is there exist any match? Still no match exists. So simply increment the pointer to the next location. Now the index is pointing to the A of 3, third location of this array. Here also we have no match found. So just increment the pointer to next location. But here we have a match. Right? So in that case, because of this match existence, it display a statement like this: the value is present at location 5. Okay, that means this 50 is the 5th element of this array, and the index values ranging from 0 to 4, and at 4th index position this 50 is matched with the key element. Okay, actually this 50 is the 5th element of this 7 number of given elements. Okay, and this particular 50 is pointed by the index value 4. So we can display a statement like this: this key element is present at the index plus 1th position. Right? In this given array, total 7 numbers are available, and this 50 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th element. Right? But our indexing here represented or starting from 0, that is why this 50 is pointed by the index 4. Okay, in that case we can display the statement present this key is present at 5th location. That means the key is present at index plus 1th position in general. Right? Now we can consider the next situation. Here key is 100 and the same set of 7 array elements. Here we can start from the 0th index position. Here we have no match, so increment the index to next location. Again no match, simply increment the index to next location. Again no match, increment again, no match exists. Continue the same. Here also no match present, and with 60 no match is there, and with this 70 also no match is present, and here with this 80 here also we can't find any match. Now this index incremented and finally reached the last location. Okay, so in that case, we can display the statement like no match found for this particular key in this given set of array. Right, so these are the two possibilities. One is a match is present. If match is present, then we want to display the location of that match. If there exists no match in the all array, then we want to display no matches found. Okay, how to write the program code? Now we can consider the program code. Okay, here what are the content we needed? Okay, we can start like from here once more. Here we have an array A with capacity 20 integers and variable looping variable I and a variable for storing the key element, and for this lim limit is used for specifying the array size, and here we have a flag value which is initialized with value 0. Now we want to specify the array limit and we need to read the key element from the keyboard. After that, we can initialize the array element with respect to the given limit. Here the indexing starting from 0. Okay, after that, we need to perform this linear searching. For I equal to 0, I less than this limit I plus plus, right? And we want to check. What we want to check? If there exists any match with any of the value of this array with our key element. So if a of I equal to this key element, what we want to perform? We can stop this searching operation and we can display the location in which this match is present. For that, we can change this value of flag to 1 and we can simply break from this loop. Why? If there exists a match, we can on this spot we can skip from that location. We don't want to continue the searching next. If there exists a match, we can simply go out and display the location. Okay, so here at the end of this loop, here we have two possibilities to come here in the outside of for loop. What are they? What are the two possibilities? One possibility is if there exists a match, in that case the flag value is changed to 1 and while executing this break, the control directly transfer from this position to this. If that case, the flag value equal to 1. The second possibility is while incrementing this I value one after another and after reaching the limit of this array or after violating this particular loop condition, then also we want to go outside of this loop body. But the difference is in that case the flag value remains 0. Okay, we have two possibilities to come out of this loop. One is if there exists a match, in that case we want to change this flag value to 1 and we can directly go outside of this loop body by executing this break statement. The other possibility is we don't get any match with any of the array element with the key of the key value, right? In that case, this loop will incremented, this I value get incremented again and again, and finally this condition get violated. That means there exists no match with any of the element of this given array. In that case also, we want to skip this for loop body and transfer control to this particular location. But the difference is in the second possibility, the flag value remains 0 itself. Whenever this flag value changed to 1, this particular case occurs only when is there exists a match with any of the array element. Then only this condition of this if condition become true and the control transfer inside this if body. Whenever control transfer inside the safe body, then only the flag value get changed to 1. Right? So here we have two possibilities. Based on the two possibilities, we can conclude that if this flag equal to 1, then what is the meaning? We can conclude that there somewhere inside the loop, somewhere inside the array, we got a match. Right? So in that case, we can display printf match is present at %d and %d, and we can display which value? I plus 1. Why this I plus 1? Because this indexing ranging from 0. So whenever a match is found or whenever a match is obtained at a particular index location, that particular index location actually pointing to the I plus 1th element of the array. Right? So if match exists, this flag equal to 1, then we can conclude that match present at location I plus 1. Otherwise, in else case, right, we can display printf no match found. Okay, right. So this is the main point we need to concentrate by performing or coding linear search. That is, for this particular loop, there are two possibilities for come outside of this loop. One is while setting this flag value to 1 and by executing this break, we can come outside of this for loop, or we can directly transfer this control to the next statement of our for loop body. Next statement comes after the for loop body. The other possibility is in this particular array there exists no match with the key element, and finally when this particular loop condition get violated, then that case also we need to come outside of this for loop body. But the difference is in that particular case the flag value remains 0 itself. So based on these two flag values, we can conclude that if flag equal to 1, that means the match is present at location I plus 1. Otherwise, we can conclude that no match exists with the given key element in our given array. Right? Now we can execute this. So I am going to enter the array size as 5 and I am going to enter the key element as 6. And the array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 with 6. Okay, so what's the meaning? Match is present at 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is present, or 6 is the 5th element of our array. Okay, and the index is starting from 0. Then this is the 0th element, 1st element, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Okay, then how it obtain this 5? Here it display I plus 1. That is why match is present at 5 or 5th location. Okay, match is present at okay, once again size 5, 1, 2, 3, 1 is the key element, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Match is present at location 5. Right? Again, enter the array size 5, enter the key element 9, enter the array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No match found in this particular set of array with the key element. Okay.